Look at the question number 75. If sine theta is equal to 1 by 3, then find the value of 2 cot square theta plus 2. So here 2 cot square theta plus 2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 2 ಹೊರಗಿಟ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ cot square theta plus 1. Okay, so we know the trigonometric identity 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So replace 2 into cot square theta plus 1 as cosecant square theta. So here 2 into reciprocal of sine is cosecant. So therefore we write cosecant theta as 1 by sine square theta. So 2 into 1 by, here sine theta is 1 by 3, sine square theta is 1 by 3 whole square. So 2 into 1 by 3 3s are 9. Okay, so this becomes 2 into 1 into reciprocal 9 by 1. This is equal to 18.